Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can report an online predator from anywhere in America. First, go to report.cybertip.org. When you get to the website, it'll ask you if you have an emergency. If not, just click I understand. In the What You Are Reporting tab, click what works for you. Most commonly, online enticement of children for a sexual act. Where did the incident occur? Chat and instant messaging will be for most social media, but there's also online gaming or other options. For this video, we're going to go with chat and instant messaging as the incident occurred over a social media app. Fill out all the information you have on the incident. You only need to fill out what you know, so there's no need to worry about information that you don't have. Under the approximate date and time of the incident, click the date of the time where the incident first occurred. Under time zone, click whatever applies to you. If you have more information about any of the individuals involved in the incident, the predator or the victim, click yes. In the top bracket of the screen, fill out any information you have about the predator or predators that were involved in the incident. For this video, I will be filling out all of Greasy Kyle's information that we have. Fortunately, there was no actual child victim in this case, so under additional information, I'll just explain that Kyle was talking to one of our decoys. If you are the victim, make sure to fill out any information that you feel comfortable filling out about yourself, but you don't need to fill out anything if you don't feel comfortable doing so. Once you're done, click continue to go to the third and final step. Here, you will put in your contact information in case they want to get in contact with you. Of course, you don't have to fill in anything again if you don't feel comfortable. Here, I'm going to give them our email address in case they want to contact us or want additional information about Greasy Kyle. They'll ask you if you have reported the incident to law enforcement. We have not yet, so I'll click no and then submit. Now your report is filed. All reports are reviewed by an analyst and made available to the appropriate law enforcement agency. In the future, if you have any additional information on what you have reported here, call 1-800-THE-LOST. They'll give you a reference number so that if you have any additional information, you can call and give it to them. Below you'll find a summary of all the information that you included in your report. If you need to report a predator in another country, please leave a comment below and we'll explain how to do it. In the future, we will make more videos showing how you can report predators in different countries. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and stay safe.